Power off the device. Never drain the device while the power is on, as it can cause damage to the chiller. To drain the device, insert both sides of the drain tube into the drain ports. Once the drain tube is connected, the device will passively drain. This process takes approximately 3 minutes. Before shipping the device, perform a total drain. After the device is drained, power the device on. Clear the alarm indicating that the device is empty. Press the Advanced Setup button, then press the Start button next to the Total Drain section. A pop-up window will appear. Press the green Start button. This process will take approximately 60 seconds.